Hi, it's Shandy Autry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's a sweet take on a snack tray. This candy charcuterie board is perfect for game night, movie binging, or football watching. You'll start with a nice big tray. This one is 18 by 12 inches. Then what makes it fun is to incorporate a few themes, like vintage candies. Remember these? Necco wafers, the candy necklace, wax lips, sugar daddies, candy cigarettes, and you can't forget the clove, blackjack, and Beeman's gum. How about candies popular in your region? Now here in the Southwest we have Mexican marzipan, and check out this taco made completely of gummy candies. You've got to include fan favorites like chocolate bars, little ones and big ones, Starburst, bubblegum and M&Ms, Tic Tacs, Boston baked beans, hard candies and licorice, and old-fashioned candy rods, blow pops and pixie sticks. Novelties are always fun, like these SpongeBob SquarePants gummy hamburgers, and cotton candy that you could make into a candy pop. You can even include fundraising candy like this chocolate bar from Ace Hardware, helping children's hospitals. And during football season, how about chocolate footballs and pennants? And finally, can't forget a little salty with the sweet. You can also add some cool ideas for serving, like plastic holders with a handle, a blingy scoop, paper cups, and popcorn boxes. And now the fun begins, creating your own candy charcuterie board until you've achieved sweet success. Yum, yum, yum. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.